Here.
What do you think about the club?
I love it actually. It's really sort of super cool. I like it. The lights look amazing.
Some kind of similar club in London, like Magazine?
Yeah, I actually play at a few places along the West End, and they're quite similar to this. They're quite sort of intimate, lovely VIP areas, and I've noticed the VIP here is very nice. So.